Trying this, I'm gonna, a couple of you guys had a question about when I write stuff like this. 3m, how do I do this? Up here, 3. What does that mean? And then another one would be like 12 inches, but it's got a 2 up there. Is that working now? Okay, that's working now. So what does it mean with that little 3 and that little 2 up there? Let's change this to a 4, just to be easier. All right, let's go down here first. Let's skip both of those. When you're measuring something, you measure that is 15 inches, and that is 26 centimeters, and that is 17 meters, right? It's just telling you what it is, because nothing's 17 something. When you are finding area, when you've got a square, put a square in here. What the heck? Look how special this is. Boom, there's our square. Let's say that one side of this is, one side of the square is 5 inches. And so the other side is also 5 inches. And so to find area equals length times width. Make that go again. Move my square. Move square. Area equals length times width. This square has the length is 5, and that's 5. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5 is 25. But I'm not going to write inches because I'm measuring area. I'm going to say it is square inches because it measures area. In your house, how big is your house? My house is 500 square feet. It means how much room there is. When you measure volume, what does volume equal? Volume equals length times width times height. So you're multiplying 3 things. And so let's say that this square here was actually a cube. You can insert a cube here so you can see the cube. Where's my cube? There's a cube. There's a cube. That cube is 5 by 5 by 5. So we're going to multiply 3 things. 5 times 5 times 5 is, of course, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And so it'd be 125 cubic inches. When you're measuring volume, you say it's cubic because it's like a cube. When you're measuring, and so cubed is to the third power, 5 times 5 times 5. In the second one, in area, you say it's square meters, square kilometers. When you look up the area of Uruguay for social studies, it tells you how many square kilometers is the mile, is the country. So it's square. That's what those little numbers are doing. You don't include those in your multiplication. All it is just telling you what you're calling the measurement. That is all.